Hook up a cable modem and router. Setting up your cable modem and router is not an easy task, but it can be done if you follow instructions carefully. When you purchase a modem or a router, there will be a user's manual that you can consult so that you know how you can hook up the devices properly. It is important that you read the user's manual so that you will know how you can install the components in the right way. Follow these instructions to know how you can hook up a cable modem and router. Remove modem cable from computer. The first thing that you should do is turn off your computer and remove the cable of the modem from the machine. To do this, you might need to press slightly on the end of the cable so that it can be released from its slot. Set the cable aside. Do not pull out the cable if it does not budge, as you can damage the connection. Connect modem cable. Use the internet cable cord and find out where it is coming from. Connect the end of that cable to the cable modem. Wireless adapter. Make sure that your computers already have a wireless adapter installed in them. Most new computers already have a wireless adapter installed. If not, you have to buy one and install it on your computer. The wireless adapter is the device that will allow your computer to connect to the internet wirelessly. Install driver for the router. Install the driver that came with your router. Insert the installation disk and follow the prompts that appear on the window on your screen. After the installation process, you can already use the router on your computer. Connect router and modem. Now you can attach the cable modem and the router together. There is a cable that came with the package for the router. Connect one end of that cable on the cable modem and plug the other end to the router. You will see a label on the router for Internet. Connect the cable to that slot. If the cables provided are too long, you can use twisties to bundle the cables so that it will not be scattered on your floor. Turn on the computer. Turn on the computer to test if you can connect the internet. Open a web browser and try to access a web page. If you can access websites, then you have successfully hooked up your cable modem and router. You can change the settings for your router by following the instructions on the user's manual. Make sure that you provide a password for your network connection so that other people will not be able to feed from your internet connection. Not doing this can slow down your connection speeds. Now that you know how to hook up your cable modem to your router, it will be easier for you to do it the next time. You do not have to call for someone else to do it for you, and this can save you some money.